Patrice Breland, March 17, 1837, April 3, 1908, was a fur trader and political figure in Manitoba. He represented St. François Xavier from 1879 to 1883 in the Legislative Assembly of Manitoba as a Conservative. His father had served as an MLA from 1870 to 1874. He was born in St. François Xavier, Manitoba, the son of Pascal Breland and Maria Grant. He was the grandson of Cuthbert Grant. Breland married Helene Dease in 1863. In 1878, Patrice Breland and the Metis buffalo hunters in the Cypress Hills wrote a petition for a Metis land reserve. This did not meet with success. He was a justice of the peace for the Northwest Territories and served as reeve for the Rural Municipality of St. François Xavier from 1891 to 1892 and from 1895 to 1900. Breland died in St. François Xavier at the age of 71. References